Frequent urination, it's a real problem for many of us. You're probably watching this video because you're tired of running to the bathroom every 2 to 3 hours, or you're concerned about the health implications of peeing so much. Well, you're not alone. I'm right there with you, and today we're going to explore some natural ways to improve kidney health and put an end to this frequent urination madness. Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and toxins from our blood, regulating electrolyte levels, and maintaining healthy blood pressure. But when they're not functioning properly, it can lead to a range of issues, including frequent urination. And let's be honest, it's not just inconvenient, it's also pretty embarrassing. I mean, who hasn't been in a meeting or on a long road trip and suddenly felt the urge to dash to the bathroom? It's stressful, it's uncomfortable, and it can really disrupt our daily lives. So, let's dive in and explore some of the challenges that come with frequent urination. Frequent urination can be a sign of underlying health issues, such as diabetes, kidney disease, or even a urinary tract infection. And if left unchecked, it can lead to more serious complications, like kidney damage or even kidney failure. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are many natural ways to improve kidney health and reduce urination frequency. While it can occur for various reasons, bladder issues are among the most common culprits. The bladder, a muscular sac that stores urine, plays a crucial role in our urinary system, and any dysfunction can lead to increased urgency and frequency of urination. Bladder issues can stem from several underlying conditions. One of the most prevalent is overactive bladder, OAB, characterized by an uncontrollable urge to urinate, often accompanied by increased frequency. This condition can result from a variety of factors, including nerve damage, bladder inflammation, or even lifestyle choices. Another significant factor is bladder infections, or urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can irritate the bladder lining, leading to a frequent need to urinate. Infections can cause discomfort, burning sensations, and an urgent need to empty the bladder, often resulting in a cycle of frequent trips to the restroom. Prostate problems leading to frequent urination as men age. The prostate often undergoes changes that can lead to various health issues. One of the most common conditions is benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a non-cancerous enlargement of the prostate. This enlargement can exert pressure on the urethra, which is the tube that carries urine from the bladder out of the body. The pressure from an enlarged prostate can lead to a weak urine stream, difficulty starting or stopping urination, and a sensation of incomplete bladder emptying. These symptoms can create a cycle of urgency and frequent trips to the bathroom, disrupting daily activities and affecting overall quality of life. In some cases, men may also experience urinary incontinence, which can lead to embarrassment and anxiety. Another significant prostate issue is prostatitis, which is the inflammation of the prostate gland. This condition can be acute or chronic and may be caused by bacterial infections or other factors. Prostatitis can also result in frequent urination, along with additional symptoms such as pelvic pain, painful urination, and discomfort during ejaculation. In addition to the physical health implications, frequent urination can also take a toll on our mental and emotional well-being. It can cause anxiety, disrupt our sleep patterns, and even affect our relationships. I mean, who wants to be that person who's always ducking out of social events or gatherings because they need to find a bathroom? So, what can we do about it? Well, the good news is that there are many natural ways to improve kidney health and reduce urination frequency. And I'm not talking about expensive medications or invasive procedures. I'm talking about simple, easy to implement changes to our diet, lifestyle, and daily habits. One effective approach is to avoid bladder irritants in your diet. Caffeine, alcohol, spicy foods, and artificial sweeteners can all aggravate the bladder, increasing both the urgency and frequency of urination. By reducing your intake of these irritants, you might find some relief. Instead, focus on staying hydrated with water, but try to sip slowly throughout the day rather than drinking large amounts at once, especially in the evening. This simple adjustment can help reduce nighttime trips to the bathroom. Herbal remedies such as pumpkin seeds and horsetail have been traditionally used to support bladder health. Pumpkin seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, have anti-inflammatory properties that may help improve bladder function. Horsetail, a herb known for its diuretic properties, can also reduce urinary frequency, though it's wise to consult with a healthcare provider before adding any herbal supplements to your routine, as they can interact with other medications. Magnesium-rich foods might play a role in easing bladder issues as well. Magnesium helps with muscle and nerve function, including those involved in bladder control. Incorporating more leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains into your diet could provide some benefits in this regard. Another key strategy is to limit our intake of sodium and sugar. Both of these can put a strain on our kidneys, leading to inflammation and damage. Other foods that can help to improve kidney health include leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are rich in antioxidants and minerals. Fruits such as bananas, apples, strawberries, and watermelon are generally well tolerated and can support bladder health. These fruits are non-acidic and provide hydration without irritating the bladder. Similarly, vegetables like broccoli, carrots and cucumbers are beneficial due to their low acidity and high water content, which can help maintain hydration without exacerbating urinary urgency. But one of the most powerful is celery. Celery is a natural diuretic, which means it can help to reduce urination frequency. And it's also packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help to protect our kidneys. In addition to fruits and vegetables, fiber-rich foods play a crucial role in managing urinary frequency. Foods such as lentils, beans, oats, and whole grains can help prevent constipation, which may otherwise increase pressure on the bladder and lead to more frequent urination. In terms of protein, lean sources such as chicken, fish, and tofu are advisable. These proteins not only provide essential nutrients but are also less likely to irritate the bladder compared to processed meats or those high in fat. For those whose frequent urination is linked to other health conditions, such as diabetes or urinary tract infections, addressing the primary issue often alleviates the urinary symptoms as well. In the case of infections, antibiotics are typically required, and managing blood sugar levels effectively can reduce urinary frequency in diabetics. The last tip is to elevate your legs. Elevating your legs can be a simple yet effective technique to help manage frequent urination, especially in the evenings. During the day, fluids can accumulate in your lower extremities due to gravity, which might lead to increased urination once you lie down at night as your body redistributes these fluids. By elevating your legs for about an hour before bedtime, you allow some of this fluid to return to your circulatory system earlier, prompting your kidneys to process it before you sleep. This can reduce the likelihood of waking up multiple times during the night to urinate, helping you achieve a more restful sleep. Just remember to keep your legs comfortably elevated, such as by resting them on a pillow or reclining in a position that feels natural, to encourage the fluid to move efficiently. If you've noticed that your frequent urination is getting worse, it's important not to ignore it. While there are many potential causes for increased trips to the bathroom, ranging from lifestyle factors to more serious health conditions, worsening symptoms could be a sign that something needs medical attention. Whether it's disrupting your daily life, affecting your sleep, or just making you feel uncomfortable, consulting with a doctor can help identify the root cause and guide you towards the right treatment. Don't wait until it becomes a bigger issue. Seeking professional advice sooner rather than later can make a significant difference in managing your symptoms and improving your quality of life. You can also check out my other video that talks about how you can stop your inflammation by eating these 9 healing fruits. We want to hear from you. Share your experiences below in the comments below and like this video. Remember to turn on the notification bell.